Hello. Where are you, bro? I'm looking for you. I'm riding a jet plane. 안녕하세요. 이거 얼마예요?
찍어볼게.
패킹은?
이거 16,000원이에요.
그렇죠. 감사합니다.
Yun mga katagay, today we will be cooking
Kambing na Kampukan.
Kampukan na Kambing, which is lame, one of their favorite delicacy in Philippines.
So yun guys, ito nga frozen kasi siya kanina, kaya kailangan muna namin palambutin.
If your lamb is frozen, it's hot, so you need to boil it, of course.
Yes. So that's the first step, right?
Yeah, put garlic inside while you boil it, so to make the smells and to make the smells good.
Okay. Okay.
Number 1,
Onion.
onion.
Sibuyas.
All right. Number 2,
Bawang.
garlic. Number 3,
Chili red. Siling labuyo, guys.
red chili.
Then,
Number 3,
dahil walang kalamansi dito, ito na lang.
yes,
Malalaking,
lemon.
Lemon.
Lemon. Number 4,
Patis.
fish sauce. Number 5,
Then,
what is that? Black pepper.
paminta. Yan.
Black pepper.
Black pepper.
Okay.
And then,
Number 6,
like only 2 eggs.
2 eggs. Why 2 eggs? Oh, I know why. Come, show me. It's the same, guys. It is the same. 2 eggs. 2 eggs on sliders. And also beef cube. 1 cube only.
Isang piraso lang na beef cubes. Bechin.
MSG. MSG. This is MSG.
Yeah, good for the heart.
No. Today, our pulutan, while cooking is this takoyaki. So this video is not sponsored by them. It's just that we're sharing our love for tidbits while cooking. Do you like takoyaki? Do you like
Yes.
eating?
Yes.
Is it masarap?
Masarap.
Okay.
Malinamnam.
Oh, malingam.
Malinamnam.
Malingnam.
Yeah,
Okay.
malinamnam.
Malingnam.
Malinamnam.
Okay. What do you want to say? Anything?
Nothing.
Cut it into small pieces like this.
Small guy.
Yan guys, hiwa-hiwain nyo lang siya ng maliliit para sa kapukan.
After finishing boiling and cutting the lamb, you can just put it directly inside the pan. We add little oil for the onion and the chili. We make it little brown. We add black pepper.
Paminta,
We add a little bit of salt.
salt,
The lemon juice that we squeeze out from the lemon, remove the seed and also the excess lemon. And then we add the white and red onion in it. We add the chili. This is the chili.
Slice.
Can you do it? Oh. Oh, the smell.
Oh, the smell.
Ready to serve Kampukan Kambing. This is what's the name again? Wait, where is this? Is it really lampuan? Kampukan Kambing. Whoa, very close up. Okay, so let me test it first. Yeah. Like this. Bae!
Nice one. Nice one. Oh, that's very good content. So guys, nakita nyo na may reaction niya. Ako rin.
Magiging kambing daw kayo dyan.
Nothing can describe the words delicious.
First time yun lang
With the fat. Baliw! This guy is baliw. Baliw is crazy,
Guys,
by the way.
sarap ng kambing. Kala ko walang kambing dito sa Korea, pero...
Be? 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 Yun mga katagay!
Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin ulit dito sa aming content. Sana patuloy nyo kaming suportahan. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
Yeah.
Ne.
Wanna say something?
It's the same.
Magiging kambing
I
daw.
just thinking. You know what? In my head now, it's all about bear. Please, bear.
Bye!
Bye. Maraming salamat. Yo.
Thank you!
Yes.
See you on our next video.
Yes. And enjoy your dinner, guys. Don't forget to try this recipe at home.
Bye-bye!
That's all. Nothing else, right?